bottom of Podil, so how do I get to the top of Podil without having to climb a steep hill? Well, if I'm lazy and I've got a big bag, which I do today, I'm going to take this. Similar to the one you've seen in Budapest already. Now we're going to go on this one. I hope we're going to go. There seems to be some work being done on it. So I didn't want to really film while I was actually in the car, unlike my Budapest one. Simple reason, it's quite a busy car, and none of the babushkas or anyone would like me sort of filming. So it's just an invasion of their privacy. But a very nice little station. We come right up to the top, and we come out here. See, quite a view really. Now if you were to head this way and you turn right, for the Brits, you get to the British Embassy. Maybe useful if you get into trouble. Obviously, if it's a sunny day, the view's a little bit better up here. But right now we're at sort of the highest point in this sort of little area. And I can continue my journey down a hill now, which is fair. This bag is heavy, that's why I'm out of breath. This bag is a heavy bag. I'm effectively carrying laptops, gadgets, clothes, a month's worth of stuff in my bag. That's why I'm a little bit out of breath. Anyway, thanks for watching, I appreciate it.